What's going on YouTube? Unc0ver right here. So in today's video we're talking about an important update to Unc0ver and a new application by Pound2Own, the developer of Unc0ver. This video is brought to you by AnyTrans, a software that allows you to manage the photos, music and videos on your device and of course create proper backups with your device. You can check it out for free in the links below. There's a free trial available. So 3 hours ago Pound2Own, the developer of Unc0ver Jailbreak, which is this one in here, released a new update, the version 6.2.0, which says it's a new major stability and reliability improvements update, which of course was released. Now, there are some problems with this update. Initially here on the website, on the changelog, the only thing that was mentioned was, quote, major stability and reliability improvements for iOS 14 support. But at the same time, Pound2Own announced here on this post the fact that he released a paid application called Unveil, which is apparently some sort of system information / somehow security application, which costs $4.99 or $5. So a lot of people here in the comments started believing that this update for Unc0ver is actually fake, it's placebo, and Pound2Own only wanted to promote his paid application, which might be true, but we don't have any proof. So now it seems that they updated the Unc0ver website here with some more bullet points on what's going on, and apparently this update contains, quote, fix a cause of random reboots on iOS 14, fix a cause of jetsam events on iOS 14, fix a cause of processes being killed 9 on iOS 14, particularly dpkg post inst, increases the compatibility with signing services, and introduces a new safety feature to preserve stock files from modification by packages. Now, it may have all these updates, I'm not claiming it doesn't, but to me and to many people in the community it looks like this major update was only released in order to promote their new application, which is paid. So let's talk a little bit about it. Well, to me it wants to be a little bit like the iSecureOS application that I made, but with more system information. Now, unfortunately, as good as it looks, it's not exactly very useful in my opinion, and the reason for that is pretty simple. This application you get from the App Store, which is this in here. So you get it for $5, it's in the App Store. If you think about it, this application cannot do anything security wise other than detecting some jailbreak libraries or some modifications to the system, but other than that it cannot clean anything. Even if it can detect malware, it wouldn't be able to remove it or quarantine it, so it's not exactly worth those $5 in my opinion. Because the application itself is sandboxed like any other App Store application, Pound2Own could not do anything about that because otherwise the application wouldn't be in the App Store. It would have been taken down. So in this case, what this application does is to basically show some system information, what kind of CPU you have, the kernel version, the uptime, the free space remaining, the number of CPUs and the memory usage and stuff like that. And then some security issues that you may have, like a jailbreak being installed or Cydia being present or some libraries from jailbreaks. But if you are jailbroken, you already know that you have those. So it's not exactly worth the $5. So this has indeed sparked a lot of controversy in the community because this update seemed to be more of a billboard to promote Unveil app. Now, since Pound2Own called it a major stability update, I will call it the same. We don't have any proof that these updates in here are not part of the jailbreak. They might be. So I'm gonna give Pound the benefit of the doubt. So yeah, to be honest, you should definitely update to the latest version and check out if you have more reliability or more stability with the Unc0ver, but do know that it might as well just be a promotion for Unveil. As for Unveil, whether it's worth it or not, I would say no. You're better off getting iSecureOS that I created, which is completely free and open source, and it's basically a jailbreak tweak, which means that it has access to the system and it can actually do proper scanning. This one is sandboxed and it cannot do much even if it wanted. So yeah, I don't know, and it's $5. So yeah, the update, you should definitely update to it. If it really has the fixes that are mentioned in here, then it's a pretty good update, so you should definitely get it. The best method, the recommended one, would be through AppStore, but if you cannot use AppStore, there is also the sideloadly, which works well, and it's available on iOS gods. So yeah, a new update to Unc0ver Jailbreak was released. Pound2Own calls it a major update, I will call it the same, but do keep in mind that the Unveil application was released at the same time in the same post, so yeah, I don't know. So thank you for watching, I am Unc0ver. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.